Jerry Taft, Realtor and Personal Real Estate Corporation with Mountain Town Properties, and I'm here today to talk about my new listing, unit number 323 at Horsethief. This is a beautiful, stunning unit with tons of sleeping space, tons of storage space, amazing upgrades, amazing location. So let's go take a look. All right, so 323 faces into the courtyard area, and it is very close to the people mover, not that far from the Toby Chair, and it's close to the hot tubs and the barbecue area, so it's a great location. And let's go pop inside. So at the bottom level here, I've got a really nice closet, lots of space for the ski gear, and you can tell right away that there's been upgrades with the really nice trim, really nice lighting. So let's go pop into the main part of the unit. All right, so the unit was completely renovated, all brand new flooring, trim, and some really nice character. So compared to most Horsethief units, this unit doesn't need that major renovation, and it's got a lot of functional space. So let's continue on here and sort of look at this really open concept, beautiful living dining room, kitchen area. And this flows really well. Got a nice feature wall here, and beautiful kitchen, stainless steel appliances. You've got this really nice countertop, and then some nice elements with the floating shelves and the beam. You know, you have that mixture of kind of modern and rustic, and yet it's functional compared to some of the other spaces in Panorama that are, you know, either very small or very dated. This is large enough that you can actually entertain, and you can have larger groups. 2 families could potentially stay in this unit. But what really impresses me too is the practical elements as far as the storage as well. So we'll see some of that soon. And let's go pop out on the deck here. All right, so we've got this really nice south-facing deck. And this is one of the decks that have been replaced. So it's a brand new deck, really. So you can sort of see the hot tub over there, barbecue area, a little bit further away, but it's nice because you're close, but you're not right on top of it. And then from over here, you can make out the people mover, gondola, and again, really close to getting into the upper village. But you have the benefit of being down in the lower village where there are no rental restrictions, and it's a little bit quieter too. You have your own space. So a real wood-burning fireplace as well, which kind of adds to the kind of rustic mountain theme. And let's take a look, kind of loop around here to sort of show you some of the practical elements, and also this full bathroom on this level. So with this full bathroom in here, you've got this combo washer dryer. And again, really nice job on the bathroom, consistent with the kitchen. And then what I really like is some of these elements, like the little bit of storage under the stairs here, which is awesome. Nice bench and closet area, really cool feature. And then just going to show you really quick here, there's an owner lock-off unit, so you can lock this and again gain that extra storage, which is really crucial and perfect if you're going to do some rentals, to be able to kind of keep some of your stuff in the unit itself. Let's pop upstairs and take a look at some of the sleeping spaces. All right, so we've got the second bathroom here, and so again, really nice flooring. This has got a tub and a shower. Some nice tile work around the tub there. And we've got this really large bedroom here, and this has got bunk beds, again, great closet space, really nice room. And one of the things kind of worth noting in this room is it's got a nice vaulted ceiling, so you've got some ceiling height in here, which is really nice. And just a really pleasant, bright room. You could potentially even throw in another single bed if you wanted to, so it's a nice space. All right, and then we're flowing into this space here, which again is kind of a bonus space. So you've got, it's set up right now as a bit of a second living room kind of den area. And then you have the option, you know, it's a pull-out couch. So again, it could be basically considered another bedroom, another sleeping area. And it also provides great access to the loft space, to that top floor bedroom, which is a really unique feature of this unit. Most of the Horsethief units do not have this third level, and so it's awesome to have that top floor loft. And again, speaking of the storage, you know, you have a linen closet right here, which is excellent. And then you've got lots of storage, really cool cubby area kind of under the stairs here and over there. So most most units do not have this. So let's pop upstairs and take a look at the loft space. All right, so this is definitely the third sleeping area. I would call this its own bedroom, basically. It's its own space. And desk, a nice sized bed up here. It's just a really nice space up here. So yeah, great feeling, great space up here. Amazing views. So you get some views of the outdoor pool and the Toby complex that you have access to. Some great mountain views from up here. Get some fresh air, being able to open up the windows here, get some of those mountain breezes. And yeah, overall, again, the vaulted ceiling is nice. And this is a really nice space up here. Overall, this is one of the nicest units in the Lower Village, both from an upgrade perspective, from a space perspective, and from a location perspective. So you're winning on all counts, and it is just, it's perfect. So whether you're gonna enjoy it in the winter for personal use, and the summer, the biking season, or use it for income generation, or a bit of personal use and income, there's a flexibility. Lots of options and lots of flexibility with this unit. There's no GST. And check out the 3D tour and reach out to myself or your realtor to view in person. Thank you very much.